What's up, YouTube? It's about Pradley back with another video, aka P Money. You feel me? So, I'm trying to teach y'all how to make a perfect egg, and so as y'all can see, first of all, good morning and happy Thanksgiving to all y'all. But right now, let me show y'all. Let me set up the camera real quick. Trying to show you what I'm doing. Trying to hold the camera perfectly. So, as y'all can see, I got the ham going with the hot dogs. They're a little burned, but oh well. You got the ham and the cheese. You feel me? So I put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. As for right now, because you got the excess oil in there, but jeez, one advice: never let your things cooking while you're away. So they're a little burned, but they came out right. Yeah. So next, I'll be cooking the onion with the peppers, and I got the eggs whipped up already, right here. So, yeah. So put it back on medium heat, and put the. Well, you don't need to put extra oil because I don't need to put extra oil because like I already put enough oil just for the thing to cook. And in the side, I got the plantains. I got the plantains cooking, boiling, as y'all can see with the heat. So, I got the plantains cooking in the side. So right now, I'm gonna show y'all. I got the garlic and the onion cooking. Once more, I don't need to put oil because I already put enough oil just for it to cook. So I just put it in the side. Okay. Maybe I might need to put a little bit more, but you never know. But yeah, cooking is pretty fun. You get to learn new things, and yeah, you get to learn new things and experience. So right now, I got the onion and the garlic and the green beans in, the green onion in, as you can see. So seems like right now I'm gonna add a little bit of touch of oil. I know in the video I said I didn't need to add oil, but I'm gonna put a little touch just for it to keep going. You feel me? So I'm gonna spread it out all around together. I'm gonna spread it out. Trying to make a nice color to it. A little brown, like a little brown, nice color texture. So onions are done. Perfect. So now I'm gonna add the onions with the peppers that I already cut up for my fam. Got the peppers. I'm gonna add the peppers in it. The red peppers. Combine with those. Wow. Look at that. Look at that texture. You see how nice it became? Wow. Amazing. Nice color texture. And another thing you don't want to miss out is salt and pepper. Salt. Let's see. So let's get the salt real quick. So you want to sprinkle just a little bit, just enough to give it a little taste. Just enough, not too much. Just to give it a little taste, you feel me? You want to turn down the heat because you don't want all of these to burn. You want to flip to the point where they cook evenly. Wow, look at that. Wow. Cooking evenly. I know some people like to put a lot of oil, but you don't really need to put too much oil because like the thing can cook very good. So wow, look at that, man. Where else you can find something good like this, man? Wow. So after I put the peppers, salt, I'm gonna put a little touch of pepper. Right now you got pepper right here. So I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit, just a tiny bit, not too much. Combine together. Oh, that flavor, that texture. You feel me? Amazing. Wow. So then I'm gonna add the ham and the hot dog. That's already inside there. See? I added the ham, the hot dog. Oh my god. Wow, loving it. It's a little burn, but you know. It's basically you learn how to cook your own meals, and you don't want to overcook this. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley, a little touch of parsley, just to give it a little taste to it. A little parsley right here, as y'all can see. Sprinkle that on top. A little parsley. Oh, wow. Amazing. And take off the extra stem if you have the stem in there. You don't want the stem. You don't want to eat the stem in there. Just the leaf you want to cook. So mix it real good. Mix all of this real good. Mix it real good. Scrape your sides, you feel me? Make sure you get all the sides and all that. Make sure you scrape the sides real good. Make it cook even. And now that last thing not least, you add the eggs in. Just add a bit of cheese. you add a little bit of cheese. I got the cheese right here. A little bit of cheese, real quick, in there. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Cheese. Melt the cheese in there, just to give it a little touch flavor, or however you call it. Oh, you got the cheese melting in there. Wow. See? Cheese melted together. They look nice and flat. They look nice and flat. So when you add the eggs in, and another thing is, the trick is to not burn your eggs. You wanna add, you're gonna take it off the heat and then add the eggs in. See, I got the eggs mixed up right here, so I'm gonna just add it in there. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. And one thing is, now you want to put it back in high heat or medium, because it was low when you were adding your simmering everything. You want to correct the sides, make it look nice and even. Wow. And another thing is, for eggs, before you serve it, you gotta taste it. Like, see what's in there. See what kind of flavor that's in there. So, and in the sides, I got some green onion cut up, like green onion cut up for a little decoration. And in the sides, you want to clean your area. You want to clean your area, how to make it. So, back what I was saying, you got the eggs, with the hot dogs and everything. I mean, like most recipes, they can feed so much people, like 600 or, you feel me? So the thing is, you don't want to burn the bottom. Make it look nice. and even. So you kind of like twist it over because you don't want to burn the bottom. Now you can just turn off the heat. You just turn off the heat because you don't want to overcook it. So the heat itself is like when you turn off the heat itself is gonna cook the rest. So so now just follow the decoration. See, this is how nice it came out. So you wanna put a little sprinkle of green onions right here. As you can see, green onions. Sprinkle on the top. You get a little nice. And see? Look how nice it looks. Look how nice it looks. Like, tell me who can make this, man? Who can make this? Like, this is how you make a perfect scrambled eggs. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you put a like. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure you have your notification turned on. And so from my point of view, I'm gonna show y'all a little picture, a little glimpse of how you make a perfect egg right here. So it's over Pradley, aka P Money, with another video, and this is a how to cook a perfect egg. I hope you enjoy this video. P Money out.